Hey guys, want to show you how to figure out your mortgage payment. I get a lot of people that come to the office and they're not exactly sure how to figure out the mortgage payment, and a lot of times people see things on the internet where it will just show part of your payment. Now I want to show you how to figure out the entire mortgage payment. Now we're going to do FHA, 30-year fixed rate mortgage. Now your mortgage payment is made up of PITI, and that's principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Now there are two different types of insurances. You have your mortgage insurance, which is an insurance that FHA gives to your lender. FHA does not lend money. They just insure the loan. Whether you get it from Bank of America, Wells Fargo, or whatever, the FHA will ensure that they will get their money if there is a default. They will get a percentage of that money if there's a default. The other insurance is your hazard insurance, and that's for fire, theft, flood, and things like that. Now, if we get a loan amount of $285,000, an interest rate of 5.25%, and taxes of $5,200, an example that we have, in the example that we have of 5.25%, you'll get a table of factors. Now, the factors will be used to compute the mortgage payment. The 5.25%, we use the factor of 0.00552, and if we start with our example, $285,000, the loan amount is multiplied by that factor, and you get a principal and interest payment of $1,573.20. Next, you take the property taxes and you divide that out by 12, and you get $433.33. Then the mortgage insurance uses a factor that is multiplied times the loan amount, and the mortgage insurance factor is 0.0090, and then that's divided over a 12-month period. Next, you have your hazard insurance. Now that depends on the value of the home and also the contents in it and how much you decide to insure the home for. But in this price range, it's usually going to run you around about $70. Now, we add up all of these numbers to get the total monthly payment. This is your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance payment, $2,290.28. Now, you will have an example and be able to click a link below this video to get this example here, to be able to have this example at the bottom, but also so that you can figure out your own monthly mortgage payment. And so when you get a property, if you have the taxes on the property, you should be able to get a good idea of what your monthly payment will be. Now, if you have any questions or anything, please feel free to call my office. You can talk to myself or one of the agents there, and we will be glad to answer any questions that you have. Until next time, happy house hunting.